store sat a girl with golden hair, with an ice cream cone dripping down her wrist. She didn't have a single care. At the filling station across the way worked a boy whose eye she caught, and before you know it, she was wearing the ring that the young boy's money had bought. Everyone said that they'd be sweethearts. She had plans of her own. She said one day she'd go far away. She ain't never coming home. She had hopes and she had dreams, oh Lord, will they ever come true? She played them off like silly whims, but deep down inside she knew one day she'd be the talk of the town, the apple of everyone's eye. But the boys still thought that they'd be lovers until the day they died. Everyone said that they'd be sweethearts. She had plans of her own. She said one day she'd go far away. She ain't never coming home. Oh, so in love, but something must go wrong. A sharp-dressed man from the bright light city came and sang his city song. She packed her bag, said no goodbyes. It broke the young boy's heart. But no small town can hold this girl. She knew it from the start. Everyone said that they'd be sweethearts. She had plans of her own. She said one day she'd go far away. Far away. Far away. She ain't never coming home.